So you might be in a situation where for some reason on your Apple Watch, your bands are just not connecting properly. Meaning that your bands at the very top and bottom, maybe they keep sliding out, or maybe you're not able to put them in properly in the first place. Well, the first thing to understand is that your bands start off at the top and the bottom. I would 100% recommend making sure that your bands that you've put in are for the correct size of your Apple Watch. So make sure that's the case. A lot of times people might end up getting the bigger or smaller sized watch, even though their watch isn't supported on that size. So keep that in mind. Now next up, what I recommend doing is going through if your bands are already off from your particular watch, just like how it is right here. What I would recommend doing is making sure that within this crease right here, that you might be able to clean out everything that's within that crease. If you have a lot of dust built up here, or if your band here has a lot of corrosion or a lot of messiness going on with it too, you might just have to go through and clean that kind of stuff out first before moving on. So make sure you kind of do that. And once this is clean, you should then be able to go and slide this thing right into place like this. But before you click it, you also need to understand that you need to click this thing into place like this. Same thing with the bottom band, slide it around a couple times, and that should automatically click it into place. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is swapping the sides of the bands. So the top band and the bottom band, go ahead and flip them around. So take the top band, flip it around, try to put it in the bottom band, and you want to see if that ends up working to it. For a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.